Hi everyone, I'm Amiyah, and welcome back to my channel where I post whatever videos I want. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a shorter video just because the original video that I wanted to do for this week didn't end up working out because I changed my mind.
Wow, that is shocking. Nobody expected that.
Let's get on with the video. This is all of the art that I made this week. This is what it looks like. Cute, would I say? Good enough. You know, I would pin it on a cork board, but I definitely wouldn't frame it and put it on my wall. That's what it gives me. It gives me decent, you know? Very easy to create, not much thought put into it. Well, no thought put into it. Dip. That's what I did. 4 out of 10. Next. This was an attempt at a cardigan. So this would be like the back missing a piece in the middle, and then this would be one side piece. The reason why I call it an attempt and not a success is that, well, 1, it's not completed, and 2, I'm going to pull it apart. I'm going to undo it all because I want to do, remember that Harry Styles sweater that was trending at some point?
It's this sweater from J.W. Anderson. I chose this photo because the model looks so mad, LLL.
While we're talking about the articles of clothing that I attempted to make, that was actually the second one I attempted to make this week, and this is the first one. I actually recorded the entire process of me making this, and this one is a back piece to an Argyle sweater. The reason I'm also gonna take this one apart. So as we can see, I like wasting my time. Not really wasting my time because I only crochet while I'm watching TV and doing something else. But I would like this much better as something else if I took this and made something else. So this is also going to be the other colors for the Harry Styles sweater. Next up, we have a bag. I made this last night. Yes, I made this last night. It's a little purse. There is nothing that could possibly tie this. So for example, if I were to make a little thing, a little hatch, a little attachment, a part that you put, that I would sew into here, that folds over and can clasp here with like a button or something, that would be good. To close it, because you know, if you did want to actually use this purse, you would want it to close just so that all of your contents don't fall out every time you move. These are rings, of course. I made them myself. I didn't watch a tutorial on how to do it before I started doing this, so all of my rings fit different fingers. This one fits 0 fingers. It's actually too tight. I put it on, and then I said, okay, right, that fits, and then I started making changes to it, so then it doesn't fit me anymore. The sky ring, we've already just addressed that. I just molded it, baked it. Yeah, so all I have to do is mold, bake, paint, Mod Podge, let it dry. That, I say, all you have to do, yet that process takes me hours. So, even when I'm working on multiple ones at a time. And then this one is green. That's it, it's just green. See, this one I did a better job with. Oh yes, and I don't paint the inside because this is for me, I'm not selling it. Why would I waste an extra 15 minutes painting the inside of a ring that I'm, you know, why would I waste my time like that? So this is like a pun for fish bowl. You know how like a fish, there's a bowl that can hold a fish in it. This is a clay bowl with a clay fish in it. So it's marbled like that because I had to mix 2 colors, which I don't really mind because I'm gonna paint over it anyway. So I'm gonna paint it to look like Xenon. Xenon is my fish, if you didn't know that. She's right over there. She's sleeping currently. This is a scrunchie. It's just an elastic, as you can see. I'm gonna go like that. It's just an elastic, a hair elastic. I did single crochets all the way around, and then I finished up with the pink, tied it off, cut it, and then with the white I just went in at a random point. Oh crap, oops, I messed up. Hold on 1 second. I accidentally pulled on a string. Don't do that. Ha ha ha. You might not, don't do that. Oops, almost. Again, emergency surgery. For the pink row, I just did single crochets all the way around a hair elastic. And then for the white row, which is the outer ring, I did 1 double crochet into each stitch. I really like the ruffles. That's like my favorite part of it. I'm going to get to work on taking these 2 things apart and recording next week's video where I do the Harry Styles sweater. Or next week's video, or is that in 2 weeks? I don't know. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on post notifications for this channel as well as my second channel. If you have any suggestions on videos I should do in the future, make sure to tell me in the comment section down below, because I read all of my comments. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I know you get lonely.